I can. So Kuya is asking if I have any experience driving. It's a 0. It's just like feels like skydiving. It's June 19th. Yeah. And it's my first day with Kuya Abed of iDrive Academy. So this is my first day of driving lessons. So Gus told me to do not wear sleeveless, but since it's hot outside, I am wearing a tank top, but I might change later. And he advised me to wear, I'm gonna show you my driving OOT. He advised me to wear closed shoes. So I'm wearing my Converse. He told me I could wear shorts, but I decided to wear pants. So Kuya's doing the driving course. What are we gonna do?
We're looking for open space for your...
Oh, okay, open space.
Then after instruction, we'll experience along the road.
Ano siyang skydiving?
Yeah, exactly.
Sorry. So when we went skydiving on our way to the skydive Guam, I recorded a last wheel video. So I might do the same now. Ito na guys.